Hi guys, I'm Talie and I'm here today with your top 5 fundraising tips. So fundraising is honestly such a good thing to do if you can whilst you're at uni. Whether you're just trying to raise some money by doing a run, or whether you're going to the third world to build a school over summer and need to raise money to be able to go. So hopefully these tips will help you to make the most of your fundraising and allow you to have fun whilst doing something good. So tip number 1 is to set up a website for people to donate to your cause on. Whether you want to use Just Giving, GoFundMe, to name a few. What website you choose is completely up to you, but I would highly recommend a website called wonderful.org if your chosen charity is one of its charities that are partnered with it. So Wonderful, compared to other charities, actually give all of the money that your donators donate to the charity. They don't take a cut out of it, they don't take a credit card payment or anything. The whole money goes to the charity. So they're definitely a good one to use because it means that all the money is going to where it should be. Tip number 2 is to allow your donators to challenge or anything. So it could be if you hit £1,000 to do a run, you'll do it in a silly costume, or even just getting people to predict how long it will take you to do the run, and whoever's closest gets a prize. Just something small so as there's an incentive to donating. Tip number 3 is to set an achievable target. There's absolutely no point setting a target of £1,000 if you don't know enough people to get that, or just if you're a uni student, lots of your friends aren't going to be in a financial position to donate, so there's no point aiming so high that you're never going to achieve it. So start low, and then if it goes really well, you can always increase it further down the way. Tip number 4 is to document your journey. So the people who are donating to you might want to see what's happening. So if you're going traveling and, say for instance, building a school, vlog about it, blog about it, just post on social media about it so as people can see what you're doing and what their money is going towards helping. And number 5 is to talk about it as much as you can. Yes, you might get annoying, but at the end of the day you're trying to do a good thing, and it's worth just keep putting it out there as much as you can. So if you keep posting about it, chances are the people who have seen it loads of times will just zone it out. If they've already donated, that's fine. But new people might be seeing it, and having not seen it before, they then might choose to donate to you. So just keep talking about it, posting about it, and enjoy the experience. So a group of friends and I chose to do the student colour run in Lincoln the other weekend for charity. We chose to raise money for Mind and used wonderful.org because they meant that all the money would go to charity. We were going to be doing the run anyway, so we thought, why not just raise some money, have a great time doing it, and everyone's winning. So I hope these tips have inspired you to fundraise, or will help you if you are already fundraising. Thank you for watching.